Hi, my name is Enes Inkaya from Huawei Developers, and welcome to the Huawei tutorial series. Today, we're going to talk about text-related kits of Huawei Mobile Services machine learning. Firstly, I will explain what is ML Kit. Huawei ML Kit allows your apps to easily leverage Huawei's long-term proven expertise in machine learning to support diverse artificial intelligence applications throughout a wide range of industries. And what is ML text features? ML text features are text recognition, document recognition, ID card recognition, bank card recognition, general card recognition, and form recognition. We will go over the descriptions of these features in the slides that follow. The text recognition service can extract text from images of receipts, business cards, and documents. This service is useful for industries such as printing, education, and logistics. You can use it to create the apps that handle data entry and check tasks. This service can run on the cloud or device, but the supported languages differ in two scenarios. The on-device API can recognize text in simplified Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and Latin-based languages, including English, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, German, French, Russian, and special characters. The document recognition service can recognize text with paragraph formats in the document images. Document recognition involves a large amount of computing. The SDK calls the on-cloud API to recognize documents only in asynchronous mode. With the SDK, you can quickly build various document recognition apps. What is the use case? It can extract text from document images to convert paper documents into electronic copies, greatly improving the information input efficiency and reducing labor costs. For example, when medical and legal files need to be stored electronically, you can use this service to generate well-structured documents based on the text information in the file images. In this way, you can quickly record and archive the files. This service recognizes information of formatted text from images or camera streams containing ID cards. What is the use case? The ID card recognition service can recognize and record ID card information in its original structure, which is widely used in the insurance, finance, e-commerce, and other industries requiring identity verification. This can reduce the risk of incorrect input of ID card information and improve user experience through easy operations. The bank card recognition service recognizes bank cards in camera streams with an angle offset of 15 degrees and extracts key information such as card number and expiration date. This service works with the ID card recognition service to offer a host of popular functions such as identity verification and bank card number input, making user operations easier than ever. Huawei provides a bank card recognition plugin for you. Integrating the plugin will make the service available on your app. What is the use case? The bank card recognition service is able to extract bank information in its original structure, which is useful for identity verification in financial services and bank card binding for payment in e-commerce apps. For example, in the past, when binding a bank card for online payment, users have to manually input their card numbers. It is easy to make mistakes. At present, with the bank card recognition service, inputting bank card numbers is automatic, thereby quick and accurate, greatly improving user experience. The General Card Recognition Service provides a universal development framework based on the text recognition technology. It allows you to customize the post-processing logic to extract record information from any fixed format cards. The Form Recognition Service uses AI technologies to recognize and return form structure information and form text in Chinese and English from input images. What is the use case? This service is widely used in daily work scenarios. For example, after collecting a large number of paper questionnaires, you can use this service to convert the recognized questionnaire content into electronic documents. This reduces manual input costs and greatly improves work efficiency. Before we start anything, we need to enable ML Kit. In order to enable ML Kit, first sign into App Gallery Connect and click My Projects. Then click your project and select your app from the menu. Click Manage APIs tab and toggle on the switch for ML Kit service. Finally, you can enable ML Kit service in App Gallery Connect. You can get more detailed information on these steps in the previous topics or by checking our official documentation. Let's look at how to use ML text segmentation features in your project on Android Studio. You should add ML text segmentation dependencies. Now, open the build Gradle file in the app directory of your project. Add build dependencies as you see. You can find the latest version on Huawei Mobile Services ML Kit documentation. Before app development, you need to make necessary development preparations. Configure the Maven repository address for the Huawei Mobile Services Core SDK and integrate the Document Recognition SDK. Now, let's look at how to create an ML text analyzer. You can set ML local text setting to specify languages that can be recognized. If you do not set the languages, only Latin-based languages can be recognized by default. Create an ML frame object by using FromBitmap methods for the analyzer to detect text. You can pass the ML frame object to the async-analyze-frame method for the text recognition. After the recognition is complete, stop the analyzer to release recognition resources. For text recognition from images from cloud, you must set authentication for your app. Create an analyzer. For creating an analyzer, the recommended way is using ML remote text setting. In this way, you can specify to be recognized languages for more accurate text recognition. Create an ML frame object using android.graphics.bitmap. Pass the created ML frame object to the async-analyze-frame method of the analyzer for text recognition. After the recognition is complete, stop the analyzer to release recognition resources. Thank you for watching. For more detailed information, you can visit developer.huawei.com.